Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. It has been 3 to 5 days since I shot the video of me assembling this. And I'm going to put the assembly after this part. Guys, sometimes you just got to do something fun. And I made a little robot for my desk in the house because I think it's fun. He's got 2 USB ports, he's got the little light switch. I even have it set up with a dimmer switch on there, and this is going to sit on the table where I assemble my journal, so I have a little more light on that table, and I have a way to charge my phone sitting there. Guys, do something fun. It's 2021, 2020. It was a rough year, and we should all do something that's a little bit more fun to start our year out with. I know we do a lot of laser and CNC videos, but sometimes you just gotta break out a new toy and do something that's enjoyable. So lighten up 2020 and do something enjoyable with it, guys. I have a really cool story to tell with this as I'm assembling it. I'll probably do it as a voiceover. So if it seems a little weird and awkward, I don't do voiceovers that often, and I'm not sure how the video is going to come out, but this was a fun project. This came out really well. Guys, go give it a try. Do something fun for yourself. Make something cool for your desk. Gosh, that is really bright in my eyes. So, go do something fun. Have a good day, guys. Remember, laser on, and go make some sawdust. Oh, like, subscribe, all that kind of fun stuff. Share the video. All right, enjoy your day. Yeah, I know. I haven't moved that big log, that big piece of wood there. You guys can't really see it, but it's about, I'd say, 14 feet, and I don't know what to do with it. Eventually I'll get it moved. Alright guys, it's not that often I do videos that aren't laser or glow forge, but there is a little bit of glow forging in this if you want it to be. Obviously we're here in Doug's Basement Workshop, and this is where we do a lot of fun projects. And every now and again, I do something because I want it. Oh, dude. I forgot a piece. You guys wait here. I'll be right back. We're going to try this again. So I don't know how this is going to come out. I don't know if the audio is going to pick up over there or over there. That camera is so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So, quite often we do the glow forge projects. I know I've worked on my intro. It's been a rough year, and I didn't know how I was going to approach today's project. Quite often we do stuff because it's for the business and we're here to make money. And as you guys have known from watching me for a while, I like to make money. It's a good part of my business is making money. It lets me do things that I enjoy. And today, that's all this is. This is me doing something that I've always wanted to do. And if you're confused right now, it's okay. It's going to make sense in a minute. I am making something because I've always wanted it. And it's 100% a knockoff of something I've seen online. And if you're like me and you follow that crafting site that makes everybody's head hurt, you'll know exactly what project this is. So all I'm doing is punching out the sides here, and we're going to make something really cool, I hope. So it's been a rough year for all of us. 2020 was kind of bad for a lot of reasons, for a lot of people. You know, a lot of people lost their jobs, a lot of businesses struggled. Something just fell. And a lot of us feel like everything has just fallen apart this year. And that's one of the reasons I'm doing this project, is a lot of things feel like they just fell apart. And we get a bunch of little pieces that makes it feel like we are little pieces too. And this little piece right here is what stopped me from doing this video weeks ago. And I realized sometimes you feel like one little piece is missing and we don't go forward. Well, sometimes we have to go forward when that one little piece is missing and just try to figure it out. This project was not one of those projects that I could just go forward with. But I am today, because I feel like I have all the little pieces put together finally so that we can go forward. And you can see, sometimes these little pieces are hard to get together. Yeah, I'm going to keep looking at my phone while I'm working here, guys. I'm probably going to regret having the passcode on my phone today. But, you know, it's been a rough year for us. And we're going to see if we can't bring that rough year to a conclusion. Hopefully 2021 is any better for us all, personally, financially, you know, all that good stuff. We're going to take all those little pieces that seem to be broken. We're going to make something awesome out of it. So let's take all of our little pieces here and see if we can't make something awesome out of a bunch of little pieces. And sometimes you feel like it's just randomly going together. And sometimes it is randomly going together. And as things start to take shape, sometimes you love it, sometimes you hate it. And the nice thing is because it's just a bunch of little pieces that we're putting together here, it doesn't necessarily matter if it all goes together the right way, because we can undo it and redo it as many times as we have to. That's the best part of this. It's the best part of life. Look at that, I already messed up. So basically what we're saying here, guys, is we're going to do the best we can with what we've got and see if we can't make something cool out of life. Look at that, we're just going to steal some parts off of other stuff here. sometimes you just gotta make something out of yourself. And even if everyone else thinks it's a crazy idea and you think it's wonderful, do it. Put the pieces of your life back together. Let's hit 2021 with a whole new attitude and a whole new approach to things. Alright guys, this is your project for this week. And we got one more step to this, which you'll see here in a second. And then I'll wrap this video up for you.